The most important aspect of your job is customer service. You are responsible for keeping the laundry clean and safe. The best way you can help this business is to make customers feel welcome. Laundry is a chore that most people do not look forward to doing. When you are courteous and helpful, your efforts create loyal, long-term customers. You create the laundry's atmosphere. Use your friendly personality to greet and assist customers. It is amazing what a smile and friendly hello can do to encourage people to visit us week after week. Hello, welcome to Sunshine Wash. How can I help you? Thank you for coming to Sunshine Wash. May I help you with your laundry today? Good morning. Can I get a cart for you? Do you have questions on how to operate any of our machines? There are many ways to assist customers. Wouldn't it be helpful to meet customers at their cars and help bring their clothes inside? If you are not able to do that, be ready to hold the door open as customers arrive. Always be sure to thank the customers when they are leaving the laundry. Talk to your supervisor about how attendants in your laundry are expected to help customers.